Hello guys, my name is DanCBearded. My subscribers call me the trusted teacher for all things beard related. By the end of the video, I hope you consider hitting the like button if you've learned something or were entertained or even had a good reminder, and consider subscribing or remaining subscribed to the channel. I'd greatly appreciate that. Today, we're going back to the basics or introducing the basics to any new viewers out there, and that is simply how to apply beard oil to the skin underneath your beard and to your beard itself. Now, you've probably heard the saying that beard oil is not for your beard. That's only partially true. It is first and foremost for the skin underneath your beard, but it is also for your beard. We want to make sure we get it through the hair at any length of beard for you guys. So I'm going to break down some key points and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I use beard oil and apply it the proper way. The first thing is you're going to get whatever amount of beard oil you need in your palm. Now, if this is your first time, it's really going to come down to trial and error. My advice would be to go with what is ever on the bottle in front of you for however many drops they say, and then adjust from there. It all depends on your hair length, the porosity of your hair, which essentially is how well your hair absorbs oil, and then your skin type. Do you have oily skin, dry skin? All of that really plays a part, and you kind of just have to figure it out on your own. Unfortunately, a good test is if you apply beard oil, after 30 minutes, if you run your hands through your face or your hair, and if it feels like a greasy mess, you use too much. If your beard hair feels like hay or straw and is really dry, you probably need to use some more. So that's really just one good way to tell. So the beard oil is in your palm. Next thing is really important here is you're going to get your fingertips and you're going to work your fingertips into your palm to get that oil all over the tips of your fingers. Then you're going to apply the oil through your beard, or if you just have a short beard, right into the skin. And you want to massage it right into the pores. I see a lot of videos and guys make mistakes online where they're just applying to the outside of their beard, and hey, guilty. I did this early in my journey. I really thought the styling aspect was much more important than the skin, and that's just not true. The skin needs to be nourished and needs to be treated first. Healthy skin equals a healthy beard almost always. So make sure you're getting that fingertips and apply all over your face where you have facial hair. A lot of guys forget areas like their mustache. They'll work it all through their beard and then there's nothing left at the end. But they also forget about underneath. You want to make sure you're getting above that Adam's apple, getting the sides there. And once it's really nice and massaged into the skin, I like the shake method for the longer beards. Get that into the skin, kind of shake it out as you go. Once it's in there, now we're going to work it through our beard, get everything nice and even, and it's all spread out in there with your hands. Last thing, really important step, is get a comb. You want to be able to comb that beard oil for two reasons. One, to get it down into the pores and have kind of a mild exfoliation. And two, to be able to spread it out through the hair evenly. I prefer an oxhorn comb. Pretty much any oxhorn comb is going to do the job and be great for you, mainly because the teeth are really strong on an oxhorn comb. It glides very, very easily, and I think the width of an oxhorn comb is about perfect for being able to do this specific job. So once you get that oxhorn comb all through your beard and down into the teeth, into the skin, that's it. You are good to go. That's simply how you apply beard oil. So I'm going to get some product in my hand here. I'm going to show you guys. I use about a quarter size amount of oil for my beard. And so I have it in my palm. I'm going to work my fingertips in here. I'm going to turn it over and do the same and make sure I'm getting all into my hands. And I have videos on pretty much everything you can imagine, but one important one is make sure you guys wash your hands before you're applying beard products, especially your nasty, nasty, nasty fingertips. That's going to be something that can really harm a beard. So now that it's all spread out on my hands and especially on my fingertips, now I'm going to work that into my beard. My problem areas where I have dry spots the most would be along my jawline or along my chin. So that's where I'm going to go in and address first. I like to go underneath and then work my way up. All right, see how I'm shaking? I don't want it to get stopped on my hair, first and foremost. Now I'm getting into the neck. Now I'm going to go into the mustache, get up underneath my hair there. Can't forget about the cheeks, working it in. My hair is going down, so I want to work up into the hair to really get to the pores and to the root of the hair. Okay, now that I feel like it's in there pretty good, notice I'm going to be going throughout my beard. And some of you will just be starting this journey and you don't have long enough beard hair to go throughout it. Just make sure it's really nicely massaged into your skin. You want to get all those areas. You really cannot spend too much time working it into your hair and into your skin because that's all going to be amazing for your nourishment. All right. Once I feel like I have it pretty good with my hands, I'm going to put that excess on my elbows, on my forearms. They can go on your head if you're bald. They can go on your love handles, can go really anywhere. All right. Now I'm going to take the oxhorn comb of mine, and I'm just going to work it down through the hair. And notice up here, I'm not aggressive, but I am getting my teeth into my skin a little bit to make sure that I am really working the pores and doing a little bit of exfoliation. All right. And again, you don't want to forget any areas. So for me, I'm going to go the mustache next, getting down into the pores. I really want to make sure my chin is good. Again, for me, that's a problem area where I start to see dry spots or even buildup of dead skin cells at times. And then, of course, I don't want to forget about the underbeard. And yes, ladies, normally I do have a wedding ring on. I am married to my beautiful wife, Sam C. So calm down, calm down. I know it's missing here. I just don't like to get oil all over it. All right. Underneath, working out through the beard. If this is the morning and you're going to style next, go through your styling routine after waiting 5 minutes. You want to let that oil absorb for at least 5 minutes into your hair and into your skin. Some oils take a little bit longer and may need up to 10 minutes. You really just got to kind of play around with it. That's one of the fun things about the beard game is that everything is a little bit different based on you, your hair texture, your skin type, porosity, everything that comes into that total package of making you, you. Okay, pretty simple, guys. Product in hand, work into the fingertips, massage into your skin, work throughout the hair, comb into place, and you are good to go. There are other methods out there that people are doing. This just simply is the basics and easiest and most efficient way to apply beard oil to the skin underneath your beard and the hair that makes up your beard. So I hope that helped you guys out. If you're a new beardsman out there, welcome. Join this community, join this channel. I promise it'll be one of the best beard decisions you ever make. If you have any questions for me on an early beard journey, on applying beard oil, or anything at all, leave it down below. I promise I'll cover it and answer it, or maybe even making a video on it one day. So thank you guys once again. My name is DanCBearded. Please stay bearded and always stay positive.